Hi everyone, welcome! Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you how can you easily rename them in your iPhone. Let's get started. At first we have to open them. Now we have to scroll down to the control panel, then hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings. Now we have to go into info our device with clicking this button over here. Now as you can see, name. We just have to click on it. And now we can edit our name. For example, I can rename them to AirPods 4 and click done. Now I have to go back. And now they are renamed. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.